Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the buddy from the Kick the Buddy game. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, let's draw this, and this one's gonna be pretty simple. We just gonna start out with his eyes. It's just gonna be two circles. It's just basically a big happy face. So one circle and another circle kind of far apart. And then once you have those two, I'm gonna draw in a circle. And then that's gonna be my highlight, and I'll just shade in around it. So if you're shading it with pencil, that's probably the best way to do it, is just to draw in the little highlight first, and then you can just shade around it. Alright, so then once you have the eyes, and then for the mouth, it's really easy. Just go from the side here. Just draw one line all the way across. And then we're just gonna draw a big curve on the bottom. Okay, so big smile, and then for his teeth inside, we're just gonna draw one line across. And then we're just gonna draw in 3 lines dividing it. Okay, and that's pretty much the face. So then for the head, it's just gonna be a circle. So this part's probably a little bit tricky. So sometimes it's easier to draw in the bottom because we already have this curve. So I'm just gonna follow that curve all the way around. Okay, and then I'm gonna draw in the top. So you can use maybe some kind of drawing aid, or just kind of sketch it out first lightly, and then you can draw in the thicker line. Alright, so that's the head, and for the neck, it's just gonna be 2 ropes around it. So on the bottom here, just draw in a bracket first, and then we're gonna draw in the same curve as the head. Okay, so that's one, and we're gonna draw one more. So on the bottom, one more bracket, same curve, and then to make it look like rope, so we just gotta draw in some of these lines. Let's go across. Alright, so that's the neck. So then for the body, just basically one big egg shape. So we're gonna start on the side here. Just gonna come down. Alright, and then for the bottom, we're just gonna fill it in. Okay, and then for the details inside, we're gonna draw 2 lines here to just give it a little bit of a curve going this way. So same thing here. And then there's gonna be a bunch of those little, looks like stitchings. So I'm just gonna draw in these shapes. I'm just gonna draw in a few. You can draw in more if you want. I'll just draw in 3. And then you probably just have to erase out those lines, so it kind of overlaps it. Alright, and then in the middle, well, let's draw in the arms first before we draw in the details on the body. So then for the arm, it's really easy. It's just gonna be 2 ropes. Just close it off, and then we're gonna draw in another egg shape. It's gonna be, yeah, mine's a little bit wobbly, but whatever you can do, just try to make it symmetrical. And then once you have this egg shape, I'm gonna draw one curve going this way. And then same thing here, we're gonna draw in the little stitchings. Just gonna put in 3 again. Okay, and then for this arm, I'm just gonna have it going down. Just trying to mix it up a little bit. So close that off, the curve, and then we're gonna draw in the same egg shape again. Hopefully I can do it better this time. Okay, that's a little bit better. Alright, and then now I'm gonna draw a curve going this way. So start on the edge and just draw one curve. And again, same thing, stitchings. And then for the ropes on the arm, so we just kind of draw in some of these lines. Just draw an angle and go all the way across. Okay, so that's the body, and then his legs are gonna be kind of the same thing, so gonna be ropes. So just curve it down, close it off, And then we're gonna draw one big dome shape here. And then we're gonna close this off, and then we're gonna draw in the bottom. So on the bottom, just kind of round it off first, and then go across. And then same thing here, the stitchings, I'll draw in 3. Okay, and then the other side is gonna be the same. Okay, dome shape. And then just close it off. And then same thing here on the bottom, just curve. And then flat line. Same thing, stitchings. Again, you got to erase out those lines. I can't do it because I'm using a Sharpie. And then for the rope itself, again, slant it. 1, 2, and 3. And then in the middle here, I guess he has different uniforms, but this time I'm just gonna draw a star. So just one angle, come out, and then just come in right around here. And lastly, out again, come in the middle, make a point, just go out to the corners. And that is it for this Buddy from the Cake the Buddy game. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and it is a very silly game. So hope you guys enjoyed this, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.